Before prescriptions came in bottles, healing was passed down through hands. Roots, leaves, bone, and fire, each with a purpose known by name. But something happened, a shift. The recipes began to vanish. They were never written in textbooks, only in memory. This wasn't just healing, it was a ceremony, a code hidden in story. Now, scientists are circling back, studying what was once dismissed. One root, forgotten for 200 years, is now being tested for cancer. What we threw away may still be waiting beneath the soil.
Did you enjoy our episode today? If you did, let's dig into another story next Sunday at 10 p.m.